just watching those kids, my heart just gets so full and I feel myself lifted up. And I can only imagine if I was Liz or Vivi teaching them. Those interactions buoy us up. They remind us of why we're teaching. They bring us back to what this is all about. And God knows we need that. You know, so often when I'm talking with teachers and with principals, what people are saying is, this is draining. You know, I can't keep this up. I am giving and giving and giving, and I don't mind working hard, but there's got to be this cycle where you give and give and give, and you get it back. And the thing is, when in this work that we do, what fills us up is that kind of connection with kids. That's the payoff. That's what makes us remember why we're in this work in the first place. So the real ultimate power of the virtual units is that they get the mini lessons out of the way and they allow us to just have this one-to-one intimate relationship with kids like Victoria and like Henry. And it's so clear how those relationships help kids to feel this sort of fiery passion for reading and writing. And that's what they need right now. That's what the world needs.